Hannah, can you say hi? Can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say day day?
Dede.
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say juice?
Cheese.
Say juice?
Cheese.
Can you say grandma?
Papa.
Can you say Laura?
Papa.
Say Laura.
Mama.
Can you say without your food in your mouth? You're silly. Put that down. Okay. Now try it. Say Laura.
Papa.
Can you say Justine?
Dada.
Just. Can you say Kelly?
Papa. Yes.
You can say Kelly. Hold on. Say Kelly.
Dede.
That's Kitty. Say Kitty. Was that a wet orange? Hannah. Can you say doggy?
No, Daddy.
Can you say kitty?
Rubber.
That was ribbit. Say kitty.
Say.
Say bye-bye. Hippo kisses?
Mama.
You're silly.